There's something under here. If only it was a clear day, that would be a spectacular view. I think it's a bathroom underneath here. I have no idea what that is. It's got a lot of it. Really, that's deep. Jungle honey. Oh, that's what I smell. Wow. Sweet potatoes, avocados. Oh, they're big, yeah? Oranges. Everybody's selling the same thing. WorldTravel clothing. Elephant pants. Loofah. It's a good price for the honey. These 5 vans, the numbered vans. I've been dealing with them for 2 days now. Interesting place to go shopping. I still don't know what that is.
Let's go. Beautiful.
What is it? I think he was talking about the lady. Everybody's selling the same things except for this one. Coffee shop with Lay's and Coke. Oh, that's a lot of bananas. Wow, that's big. Oh, some nice corn. Nice corn. That's it. Not bad for a top of the mountain rest stop. Pretty cool. Check this out. 4,088 curves get certified. I assume that is from Chiang Mai to the lake and then back past Pai. Amazing place.